leaders of tomorrow? How are they the leaders of tomorrow when you stop them from going to school for 9 weeks? If Wike did not have basic education, he will not be the minister of FCT today. So, if their school is lost, they will do their school here. So, we start teaching them here every day until their school is open. So, like I said, they have been out of school for 9 weeks. 9 weeks, so how many months been 9 weeks? 2 months and 1 week, Abi. Now, the whole, listen. The whole school in the whole entire FCT, the whole primary school, have been out of school for 9 weeks. And you say they'll be leaders of tomorrow. Come and tell me what you want to be in the future. Who won't tell me? Very good. Come. You show any phone that's you. Now, you see they go school. Now, government's fault. They don't give you better uniform. So, what do you want to be in future? Speak long.
I want to be your son tomorrow.
What do you want to be? What profession?
What do you want to become in the future? I want to be.
You know, you be alone. Go back. You know, you see your mouth. See your head. Hey, where are you?
What is your name?
My name is.
That is what they are really causing to our.
Just in case they don't know their names, let me explain something to you. Public schools, public schools, especially the one in Durumi, in the whole of the primary school, they have just 10 teachers. Explain that part of it.
Okay, what I'm trying to say is that if you go to the primary school in Durumi now, don't worry. Specifically, the primary school in Durumi, if you go there, the direct employed teachers there are no more than 10. The remaining teachers are all PTA teachers. These children that you are seeing, they are charging their children school fees to pay the PTA teachers in the school.
In a government school?
In a government school. They are paying PTA. They are paying PTA. That means school fees, which we know in FCT is free education. Free education in FCT, but these parents, because there is no teachers in the primary school, only few, they have to charge their parents to pay so that they will pay the PTA teachers. Still, with the few teachers they have, they are not still paying them. The children are still at home. That's not just.
Some of them don't even forget the state and capital because for 9 weeks they don't go to school. How they want to remember? They don't forget. They don't forget. So please, there's some wicked. These children need to go back to school. Let's do state and capital one more time. how come when I repeat once or 2 times?
So why you want to become a future?
Doctor.
You want to be a doctor? Wike, she wants to be a doctor, but you lock their school. She cannot be a doctor. And we don't want her to go into hookup. So, Shetima, what's his full name? Well, I will not blame you if you don't know it, because in our whole school, now only 10 teachers on our get. So, if you don't know, it's not a problem. Don't feel bad. The only means that they know to teach current affairs again for school. Who is the Vice President of Nigeria?